Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up a poll from start to finish. We'll cover everything from selecting a template to previewing your final poll before you send it out. Let's get started by heading to your dashboard and clicking the Create Survey button right here. Here you'll see several options for creating your poll. You can build one from the ground up, use a pre-made template, or even duplicate a survey you've already created. For this example, we'll browse through the available templates and select the poll format that best fits what you need. Found the one you like? Great! Go ahead and click Use this template to get started with it. First things first, let's give your survey a name that clearly describes what it's for. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple polls. Now you'll want to select the question format that works best for your poll. Different question types give you different ways to collect responses. Here's where you'll type out the actual question you want to ask your audience. Make it clear and easy to understand. Next, add all the possible answers your respondents can choose from. You can include as many options as you need for your poll. When everything looks good, click Save to lock in your changes and finalize this question. Before you send anything out, it's always smart to preview your work. Click Preview Survey to see exactly what your respondents will experience. Your poll is all set. Click Continue to move forward to the Collect Responses section, where you'll be able to share it with your audience. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create a poll from scratch. Feel free to run through this walkthrough again anytime you need a refresher.